Welcome to Fantom FTM price prediction between 2022, 2023, 2024 down to 2030. Now, at the time of recording this video, Fantom is trading at 36 cents per coin. There is a chances that with $100 investment, for an example, you can make about $2,400 with Fantom FTM. Now, as of March 13, 2020, that is 2 years ago, Fantom was trading at 0.001, and October 28, 2021, that is 7 months ago, Fantom actually hit $3.48. Well, Fantom have dropped from $3.48 and it is now trading at 36 cents. Now, in this video, I'm going to give out Fantom price prediction based on expert price prediction. We have gathered different prediction and we compare this prediction from expert from different part of the world, and we are going to list out what we have come up with Fantom price prediction. Now, as of 2022, before the ending of 2022, we are expecting Fantom to actually trade between 0.38 cents and 42 cents. That is to say, we are expecting Fantom to hit 42 cents before the end of 2022. Now, by 2023, we are expecting Fantom to hit 63 cents, and in 2024, Fantom is likely to hit between 93 cents and $1.10. In 2025, Fantom FTM is expected to hit $1.35. And in 2030, that is the next 8 years to come, Fantom is expected to hit between $9.38. Now, have it in mind that if Fantom eventually hits $9.38 based on the price of these experts, that is to say, for example, $100 investment in Fantom will return about $2,440. That is, with your initial capital, you will have about $2,540. That is a lot of profit, if you ask me, and we are hoping that Fantom can still increase in the next 8 years. Fantom have the possibility of reaching that level. At the time of recording this video, Fantom is ranked number 55 crypto coin with the highest market cap. So that is to say, Fantom is among the top 100 crypto coins out there. The possibility of this coin increasing in future, yes, there's a possibility that this coin can increase, and we're expecting in 2030 that Fantom will actually increase in price, and a lot of people will actually make some money with Fantom. But remember, this video is not a financial advice, so please kindly do your own research before taking any decision. Kindly subscribe to our channel, turn on the notification button in order not to miss our next video.